Yeah, hello, Seto.
Imam di bofo.
Yeah, here there.
Bibia boko. Now so
Nyame adom nso me ho den pa.
now okay, Imam say because me try o comment na see me who say na post video bi. Ama comment na pese video no. Ye wo kekan wo mu no ye digest ye processing no. You put questions about it. We understand it. So okay because I hear video now. To me understand the whole doubt to Islam and that's bizarre.
Me doubt to Islam say.
Because what doubt to say they be the understanding of Muhammad and I said Allah no who they know it make sense. How can this be? And I will put that question, no. How can this be said? Why already and I make my call life me I program.
No, whether you are alive or not, I don't have any problem. But we state no, we statement we make no. You see, who can tell me say me share way you know o comment no. Asem a wo kan say open discussion.
Yeah.
Me kra matena se anka me ba be recording say na ofre. But also open discussion. But that open discussion, no, I don't understand. Say, ube bisa my question, and I say, open see the topic eto ho. Now, what can we understanding about the topic? Now, means what can we understanding about the topic? I mean, what do you mean by that open discussion?
The open discussion said the you are program now, program no. 1 hour program now, okay. Same now, and I even put a whole question. It's a wow program no one say.
Not just a woo dear, you don't maybe woo dear uni nim dear beer woo babeka, but who be some meme questions, sana or peso ye.
Now, you compare the Quran because the Quran, near tears say, misunderstanding, and also you misunderstanding.
Na me chere say wo understanding bi wo the Quran na ka ho a na ye nyina ya te ase say mpacho wo na ye nyina ya te ase say ye de sa topic na eto ho wo kan wo understanding about the topic na me nso ma ka me understanding about the topic because wo kasa wo platform ne so a wasem ni say Quran me ba wo wasem ni say Quran ne nye nokre. Good. You unjin this efin yankopon ho no, it is also the same as saying that it is not true. Okay. Good. Yes, me know you are doing. Yeah, me know you are doing. But who challenging me no should not be say me no should come and stand at one point, then you will be asking me questions. Maybe tie me, because this is what you guys do. And nothing America's asking we say no. Who a certain a certain understanding about the Quran. It was our understanding about the Quran. No. And was say the topic in it to her. Now we understanding now about the Quran. What about beka? Now means me understanding na me what about that Quran. No means me about beka. Now etiefo no ajeje. Because who understanding no me ba say who understanding you are shelving that understanding, but you are coming to ask me questions about many understanding. And in this case, no, you put me in a box. Now you are now free.
Yeah, because you are the one who say when I Muslim, Muslim, and I hear you questions about Islam. And say more understanding now. And it's the programs, you know. To make me understand, you know, irrelevant because a bit wrong. But once I would say a young book, you know, I would follow now we imam now. Okay, when I get better understanding. But if they are still now, it doesn't mean say me not can Quran in the way be. Now we might see different. Now also imam what kind of what I see different start. You bet me I check here. So what they say me one corner when I would do it, you know,
No. Me know we are adwene. Me know we are adwene. The wo kan na me ni any problem e wo ho. Say me ba o say what frame me what the topic bi ama me say Imam Adubofo ye pese ye no discuss this topic. And I'm see you Mate. No what frame me na ma ba na say o bi say me questions about the topic. I mean ni any problem. But since you are someone who can say me ma ye topic bi. But topic na me ye no. And need the Quran because the first statement I can say I am doubting Islam. Sana okay. And it means say one or a certain understanding there you who free say and no the understanding of Islam. It is a no understanding of Islam there. Oh, I don't know I mean mama nunsi. And no understanding of Islam there. Ye the sa topic no, ye the sa topic ni si ho. Ye the sa topic ni si ho. Na won waka wo understanding no. Na me nso maka me understanding no. Na etiefo because e was a wo ka wo dia me nso minya chance ebisa wo questions. Wo so minya chance ebisa me questions. Na etiefo no a etie no, omo make you judgment say whether me na me doubt to Islam and I say wo na wo wrong. But one frame me now can tell me say one make it why a topic be I think say you are doubting Islam. In the episode, call live. These are questions about our topic now. I mean, it doesn't make sense to me. Maybe it doesn't make sense at all to me. And who understand it now, who free say because of that understanding, me someone makano a doubt on Islam. Yen na yen tiasie na yen fasa topic no into ho. Manusia memo akasa yen na yen tias yen fa topic ni nsi ho ye the topic ni si ho a wo ka wo point me nsusu maka me point wo questions a wabisa me nsusu wo questions a mabisa wo na atiefo no so obi krampo wo so na so person of friend no nso bisa questions they can also call and ask questions but me I will not accept it say me gina ho na wo bisa me questions then you are free. Because I make that categorical statement. A burden me prove say wa bon. Wa bra wo nkasa. Me nkwa na me be on here be say some questions.
Me polite see okay. Within 5 seconds no go live. You can be live okay. Just say the way aware.
Me say tie me masam na me no kan say wo nya ntiase a me no I will not come on your program. Because this is what you guys do. Are you accepting say we are going to create discussion because you have to have a time. Say 30 minutes I work for 30 minutes work kasa. Me so me 30 minutes me so makasa.
30 minutes they don't who kasa 5 minutes.
So first of all, you see, I say you are just rushing. But me say Masa, you tie me. So mama no see ya ka betima say. Me say so me kasa wie me say kasa and I also will call live. Me say kasa and I also will call live. But why should I allow you to go live when we have not finished, on the rules? No, but you cannot put me on live when we have not finished accepting the rules. I didn't know how they make call live. Abra yenya entiase on the rules. Me too. No, one kasa. I will say, Masamo ma make it topic bi. Na sa topic na me ye no. I may doubt Islam. One can say Quran, who say may doubt Islam. And I'm say, what do you mean by that? At the end, it's may doubt Islam. And I may say, so who say may doubt Islam? You see, me. No problem. Whatever you said, no. Now, the most important thing, and they say, Yemi no ye jiatum ye the topic is ho. O ba be ka wasem. Me so me be ka masem. No, there is no problem with that. Sounds here they open one can see they open discussion. Did you not say we are going to have an open discussion? Dear me here say, open discussion there. Open discussion does not mean that somebody should come and stand there and you ask him questions. Because the whole can is a CA, and then the whole can any message in the difference room. Because open discussion there, who can was them, means smart come so be your questions I will be saying you. And now what here no nasino yenji time there na opesa yen fan kasa. I mean me 5 minutes there you can say me kasa 5 minutes. I cannot do that because I will need time to explain. You can say me kasa 5 minutes. 5 minutes for what? And agrobin here kwa kodiana. Me say, tie me, me say. No, you cannot ask me questions. You cannot ask me questions. So if you do, so who need assembly over the topic ni one. Who need assembly over the topic ni one. Means so many chance there be our questions are. And on then at the end it say open discussion. At the end it say open discussion here, baby. And when I make a choice, say, "Me ma ukwan ma won bisa me questions wa bra wo won ka hwe." Oh, so mimi program am here dia. Tie, so mimi program am here dia. Send your program net da ho. I don't even need to speak again. Me say, tie me. You see, you cannot simply override me on these flimsy things. Tie me. Some person only me program there. This is my point. So one person will bet yes, we can stop it. Me need problem. Master say, what say? What was say? Me master me kind no asset me doubt Islam. It means that one who has certain understanding anything I work as ana me boa. Ana me say, Sadia, who person only me call live. And yes, Sadia, you for topic ni nsi ho. Dia wu ni mu ninti wo kasa me doubt Islam no. Obeka. Me so dia me ni mu me dey kire say ninti enye doubt on Islam no me so meka. Okay. We are some more questions I'm a bisa. Who questions I will bisa me. Obi a obeti so question on so bisa. I mean, when is it difficult to accept? Number 2, and I may say I cannot speak for 5 minutes. Okay, you can speak because me per se a fair. What you can speak for 15 minutes. I can speak for 15 minutes. I say, Ada agrobin ye kodiana. 5 minutes na agrobin ye kodiana. No, me shall say first. Who the entire who ni no I need to kasa me doubt to Islam. You should tell me. Una wetie nti de wo tie ya nti wo kasa made out to Islam no wona wo sa wo ka me say wa bon an me kan eno de no kwe wa bon and I'm going to prove it to you today. Me ba be prove a kire wo next wa bon Me say, you see, me say ofre me no tie me ofre me no me nanka me so me ba be me ofre me no nanka me so me ba be me recording but me de me dey to ho na me no why your program no but me say na sa asema wo kan entos mu ade tina say me ma wo kasa wo no watie me program tie me wo na watie me program ana wonim de maka eno no eni Islam doubt on Islam ade tina wo won kasa asem no na wo frame me a wo say me nsa me kasa. I mean, what sense does it make?
It makes sense because the mimi kasa the see me kasa no wo say me kasa 2 seconds no what come no say me dey make any wrong enti mimi kasa bia na betuma no beta so an kasa tina me ma wo ka de wo kan no say de be ya wo kasa me betwa no ma ya she wo no
Ada wo da bi wo mi video no wanti ana
me ma tie wo video no
aha enti die na wo mu no a die na wo mu no e ma wo kasa me asa me doubt Islam no Oh, there be where they una wo junior mami no and only there even if in the next minute grab oh yes I will still do that but me say una wo junior mami because no me nkasa una wetie una we enti dia wo tie ye no a wo kasa no enti me doubt Islam una was all kan me my program
say there be omunyina ye in the 50 minutes no asa the show so. At the concept of difference between a gene and the difference between a nipa and say Quran is saying a nipa are a human being, human, mankind, or the clay and the boy. Quran is clear. Human, mankind, or the clay and the boy from Adam and the clay. Genie, you are clean the boy, or more the fire and the boy gene. It is a or that's a Gina, a nipa, a body from Allah said, Allah the boy. And what that's a human, a nipa, a clay and the boy. It's one big difference between a gene and a human being and a clay and the boy, and I did fire a boy gene. And he did light above according to the Quran. Where the Quran and myself. I do about 4 statements now on making on video. I said, there be gene a nipa. It's here, on what you want. No proof saying, and the frontier, Allah say, or the jack a boy gene. 19 years separate from human beings, okay? And it's in Adam, you're born, you declare born, and you can say, Satan, and prostrate, Satan, for Allah said, all the angels will prostrate, and about who I'm prostrate, he was a gene. Someone say, so that gene, not all kind of saying, I was created from fire, and he was created from a clay. It's a difference never on, okay? In 15 minutes now. We hear the day beyond see at the moment there. They also no I must say Nakasa I do go for Mama do go for never see. When me am on Vakasa 15 minutes on war, it's ever man 90 of Quebec. Me mama at the frontier make a chance say or not your video now or what against the Quran it's so much I say. Remember them to see here. Yentil over the video no see a report that it will change down pay you don't do your work as a farmer. Moment here, I do for this year, okay? The time will not ever shall say this year. I do for the time as 15 minutes. I need to make 15 minutes about this topic. Then Kasa, meet you.
Okay. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Anuanom ne adɔfonom mechiachia mu nyinaa. Efrɛ me Imam Adubɔfoɔ. Sɛ mopɛ sɛ motie me nkyerɛkyerɛ a mobenya ewo Ampa TV ewo YouTube eso ana afei obi a opese ofrɛ me no nso obetimi anya me ewo +685 77 222 72 topic a yenua seto ede ato ho sɛ yenka ho asɛm no eye jin yɛka sɛ jin a eye de na me video a me ye no de me can wom categorically say seto no wabon, and it is not even the first time I make it several times. Moko Ampa TV amubenya sa videos no de ntia ema me ka seto abon ene say more common sense family for na moka say adwene no anya adwuma body ne bre me ka a group a ye free and logic family yasem ni say wagini no watu kwan eye bre nko a de ntia me ka sa asem we say nyina ne say onipa adwene we say no Nyankopon de amaye no de maye se yemfa nya adwuma na adwene no nti na Nyankopon bebu yaten enti so wan fa adwene na anya adwuma eye ha nko a Quran kronkron no medical can several times say more common sense for some person mo kire Islam mo na mo person mo kire Quran na se a e wo se munya at least a basic understanding of the Quran. All kasan or say the difference between jinn and he say jinn no any ins and he say jinn no ye the eja and the born no ana ins no so ye born no efi dotie mu. The Quran speaks of several things. Number 1, Quran no use enipa nyina in Arabic no your friend Anas I'm chomuntie ni yepa Anas no ejina ho edema enipa nyina but enipa nyina mu no ye wo entichemu enipa nyina mu no betimi anya emma a omunsu ye nipa betimi anya emerima a omunsu ye nipa eno so ye a certain category of human beings. And in Arabic name no Oko emana ye friend Arijal. Friends emema ye friend Arijal. Oba maso ye friend Anisa. In the same vein, no, ubetimi anya another category. As a category, no, you use the word bit say ins, and you use the word bit say jinn. Almost to me jina ho edemenipa. But the meaning, the literal meaning of jinn, and they say, adia etimidi ni husie, and I say adia din sa ubebeno, din sa ubehunu. All these no are meanings of jinn. Enti ubehunu se Quran kunkun ni mu no. Senka ins enkwa na eye nipa. Anas no enu ni gina homa the generality of human beings no. Never has the Quran used anas and the opposite are all used no eye jinn. Unya bi ewo Quran ni mu. Anas I no eye humankind and I say enipa nyina untimi nya say yebeka say human beings. Anas say Quran na use anas at one side and at another side who are used jinn. But the mere bia say Quran no use these two words or use ins and jinn. Ins in one category of human beings. Jinn also etimi gina homa one category of human beings. And it is true, say, jinn no e gina ho edema so wo de ba enipa mu dia e gina ho edema enipa akesifo. And I will give example from the Quran. E wo mi video no a e wo Ampa TV so no, me ma sa example no. So kin kan Quran chapter 27 verse 33 and 32 me Quran na me use no. You count it Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim as the first verse. On the numbering we need another subject ebia be kan da for me person be waste me time. Or say qalat ya ayyuhal mala'u aftuni fi amri ma kuntu fi we say no Queen Sheba ana ohini Solomon asuma ede krata akoma no a ofre no aba ne nchen me bone to fa se de be a in waste me time na where that we use no ha say no o say qalat ya ayyuhal mala'u al mala'u we no ejina ho edema ahemfo a ebia yemfa so obi ti se otumfo na ono oye king oye ohini kese ohini pon na owo ahemfo ewo nase no sa ahemfo no owo nase no Arabic no yetimi di gina ho as mala'u. But sa mala'u we na ya use di ama ahemfo no oko Solomon so a okasa o use sa mala'u no a, and what some of them are also referred to as jinn. Enti ebeden ya ka say obi a woyo ohene woye spirit. It doesn't make sense. Number two, and it say, Nyankopon aka no Quran chapter 51 verse 57. Or say, وَمَا خَلَقْتُ الْجِنَّ وَالْإِنسَ إِلَّا لِيَعْبُدُونِ. Nyankopon wabo jinn any ins but to worship God. Sakasan. Ana mema semeni say, Otumfo Nyankopon no akasa kan ewo Quran chapter 17 verse 95 and verse 96. Wama analogy bi ewo Quran ni. And that analogy no Quran no say al-Quran yufassiru ba'duhu ba'dan. Sa analogy na Quran na ye no. It explains me point I be making wo Ampa TV so no. Masem ni say Quran ni say وَمَا مَنَعَ النَّاسِ أَنْ يُؤْمِنُوا إِذْ جَاءَهُمُ الْهُدَى. Bibia ni wa esi nipa kwan se obeji asem na tum wa bra akwankyere ba ne nchen. Ose illa an qalu kopim se wono ka se aba asallahu bashara rasulan eti Nyankopon asoma enipa enipa na aba ye nkyɛn sɛ komhyɛni ana messenger ana nyankopɔn eyi wɔn ma no ɔse kul law kana fil ardi malaika yamshuna mutma'inin sɛnka bae sɛ asoro abɔfoɔ angels ana ɛnante asase no ani a ɛnka lanazalna alayhim minas sama'i malakan rasulan ɛne ɛnka yɛnso yɛbɛsoma angels ana akɔ wɔn nkyɛn sɛ wɔn nkɔyɛ akɔmhyɛfoɔ ɛma wɔn. Wei yɛ the analogy a Quran no ayɛ. This analogy no ɛkyerɛ yɛn sɛ it is the kind a enipa no a wɔn hia akwankyerɛ no wɔn ankasa so kind ana yɛsoma ɛkɔ wɔn nkyɛn. It is wɔn yɛ nipa deɛ a yɛbɛsoma enipa ana akɔ wɔn nkyɛn. Sɛ nka wɔn yɛ asoro abɔfoɔ deɛ a anka yɛbɛsoma asoro abɔfoɔ ana akɔ wɔn nkyɛn sɛ asomafoɔ. And this analogy also explains the fact say yɛka sɛ jinn ɛyɛ spirit deɛ ɛne ɛwɔ sɛ ɔmo nso so kind a ɛyɛ spirit sɛ ɔmo a ana nyankopɔn soma wɔn kɔ wɔn nkyɛn sɛ asomafoɔ. But the fact say jinn no ehia akwankyerɛ no enipa ana di akwankyerɛ ne brɛ no ne ɛma that analogy ne sɛ wɔn nso so yɛ nipa. If we say wɔn nso yɛ spirit a anka nyankopɔn bɛsoma spirit ana akɔ wɔn nkyɛn. But wɔn yɛ nipa nti ana wɔn ba nipa hɔ ɛbɛgye akwankyerɛ. And I will give my last point. It is a nyankopɔn ka sɛ yɛabɔ wɔn sɛ wɔn mɛsom na ɛsom no nso so wɔn hia akwankyerɛ na wɔn de asom na sɛ yɛka sɛ wɔn yɛ spirit but wɔn yɛ spirit no nso so wɔn hia akwankyerɛ no enipa nkyɛn na wɔn ba deɛ a ɛno it defeats this analogy in chapter 17 verse 95 no a Quran na yɛ no. If we say adenti na nyankopɔn ansoma wɔn ankasa so kind wɔn ankasa te sɛ obi a wɔte sɛ wɔn na ɔsoma enipa mum ana ɛkɔ wɔn nkyɛn. Enti my last point may they support this verse. Or say Quran chapter 72 Surah Al-Jinn. Or say Kul uhiya ilayya annahu sama'a nafaru min al-jinn faqalu inna sami'na Qur'anan ajaban. Or say kachire wɔn say it has been revealed to me that a company of the jinn listened and they said, truly we have heard a Quran that is wonderful. Yahdi ila rushd fa'amanna bi. Sa Quran we no ekyerɛkyerɛ kwan ɛkɔ akwankyerɛ pa so na yɛn yagye adi. Wala nushrika bi rabbina ahadan na yɛn fa bibia mata yi nyankopɔn no ho nsom no. Sa ensem we se no Quran no ka kyerɛ yɛn sɛ jinn no ɛba okomhyɛni Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam ho ɛbetie okomhyɛni Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam Quran na ɔkenkan no ɛno no confirm it and it support the logical Quran na yɛ Quran chapter 17 verse 95 say senka wɔn yɛ a different kind other than human beings anka Quran no ɛbɛs anase nyankopɔn ɛbɛsoma ɔmo ankasa so kind ana akɔ nkyɛn. At another place in the Quran nika sɛ ɔmo nkrɔfoɔ nkyɛn ɛkɔ ka kyerɛ ɔmo sɛ yɛakɔ akɔtie Quran na yɛtie yɛ no ɛkɔnfɛme ɛnwoma no a nyankopɔn de maa Moses no. This means say wɔn free nkrɔfoɔ a na wɔn yɛ Moses agyidifo mu, which is the Jews. It is a Shompo ɛka sɛ jinn no etimi gyina hɔ ɛma Jewfo ahemfo a it is supported by the Quran. Enti enti medical aka say ye ka say jin ade bia din say wodi wani behunu okomsheni Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam nan kasa aka say ye wo jin ye wo 3 different kinds of jin ono aka say waka. And in the Quran no use the word jinn and so the other things are and also yet a spirit, but they are physical beings and as a physical creation. And all these support the fact say Okomsheni Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and I say Quran konkron e twen adwene asi bibi so na se eba jina nyankopon se won som ne dia it is none other but human beings. Timide manu bi sia na se obi wo asema obisa.
Now okay, what I say for madam nyama se ma mo line so na madam nyama mo share video we say no se to any imam edubo for na wala okay it edubo for can send bebre wo ha say I mean share say so na make say okay edubo for abika ensem bebre wo
Me bacho answer na obeto aso no mami ma etiefo ni hunu which because wakasa first time wakasa me so makasa ma etiefo ni hunu which stage ana yadru ube kasa na me so masa be kasa na say I don't understand. On say enuntina before so we be live na me no wo kasa yen hihye rules na answer. Yes, I discussing why there. I mean, it doesn't make sense. Say, yes, she say rules, and once you are life, then who make you rules? As you just want to take me by surprise because who wants someone who can, you know? So me imagine me say waka say we. It means me kasa in the way I spoke. Say no, you are taking me by surprise. So who say the kasa biem? No, the you know, it is any honesty and because I was telling me who said, yeah, kasa maybe 2 times, ube kasa first, me so me kasa second. My telephone misa, and you now baby some questions, so my telephone misa questions. Because what you want to know we discussion, you now baby some questions, my telephone misa questions. Okay, bisa mo question na opeso bisa me question na opeso bisa. Me say bisa me question na opeso bisa. Yes, bisa me tie question no, me tie. Say who bisa me question and answer who kasa.
Me kasa edubo for, me kasa me who kasa me ma no.
Me kasa wa me wa no say wo me no mienu ya ye nhyehyeye. Misro dia me no mienu ya nhyehyeye say who go against the rules. Wo say misro dia misro an kama cattle because me no mienu no ya rules atum. Adentin now you are going against the rules.
Me rules
wo say me ma o kwan ma wo misa me question ba wo kasa. Okay, etiefo nyina nhye sa de we na wo ye ne nso. Se me ye bia hwe no mo ankasa. Because a question there at least by 1 minute now go be some question but we be kasa be 5 minutes 10 minutes there it doesn't make sense.
team for here. I'm going to get for you. You might have to for me question. No. Me say we answer the question. The man say. Koran the case or the team or the get the ball mama and or the claim the ball nipa na. Koran the what and the Koran the kind of me question. No.
Okay, me that say. The woman say Medikan aka say okomsheni Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam wa kire yen say ye ka say jinn three different kinds of things. Nemum ye kan jinn Nyankopon say onson ne dia nipa. Medikan make this statement clear. Okomsheni Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam na semu a okaye no eni say jinn one kind was say jinn al-jinn salasatu asnaf yakasa jina ejina enema miensa baako eye womo a womo nam enframam. Number 2 was say al-kilab wal hayat kramai anase any wowo. And number 3 and so woman tena say planning on adia omo pese omo ye and they know say there is a judgment on them, which is a reference and as omo akl yaka Arabic ni yaka say akla omo adwene a omo de dwene a no so nipa. Okomsheni Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam no ankasa asa say which I also stated this on my platform, Ampa TV. So, say, Okomsheni say, Emamumfa abua kase, and I say, Sebi abua ejanai awo, Samuko tifia, Mamumfa nyemhuyi, and if we say a jinn ebiani. Me can say, Sakasa we no, Okomsheni Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam kaye. Ene ne kasa o kase jinn mu baako ye adia enam enfram even baako kra wo say mu de aduane si wa ya mu nkata so anya sa jinn ebeba so sa ensem we say no de okomsheni Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam na ode kire yen ene say ye wo bacterias no ejina ho edema jinn because it is difficult to see it with the naked eye. And at that time of the prophet, there was no word in the vocabulary of Arabic. Bacteria. But the prophet say this creation a physical creation and yet spirit. But yet and the only description or the best description of it such as bacteria, a jinn. Enti enono ewo. Oh, me ba question so let me set some basis. Okay. Enti having said this me refer etiefo nyina say mon kan a certain book a ye frɛ no Revelation, Rationality, Knowledge and Truth. Revelation, Rationality, Knowledge and Truth. We're explaining this point on jinn, the entire Nyankopon say or born a free gem. But having said that, Quran no use symbolism. And I say, men can say kasapwa. And I've stated this before, say, mono amufra mu common sense form. Say, mo kwatise obi kasa. Na kasa no nipa na kasa se bia wakwa ahimfie na se nipa na kasa na nipa no okasa na obu be a asema on be kan say nipa na no atepa. But se mo ba in a religious book na se religious book no eno so kasa wo kasa ko mu a eno there you want to take it literal. The Quran can say ye ka say jinn a yabonu every ejam no. It is symbolism. Enipa yabono every doti mu no eye symbolism. Because Quran nangasa can say inna mathala Isa inda Allahi kamathali Adam khalaqahu min turab thumma qala lahu kun fayakun wɔse Yesu Kristo ɛne Adam no ɔmo asɛm no ɛsɛ na yɛbɔ ne firi dɔteɛ ba yɛn nyina yɛnim sɛ Yesu Kristo yɛambɔ na mfiri dɔteɛ mu enti sɛ Quran ne ka sɛ oh ma ada wo ma minya no now wo kra na wo bisa question wo na wo bisa question how long did you speak one say me the point enti na wo twa me so no enti ma me kasa say me wie na say man kasa tiefo na etie ade enti na wo twa me so eno na me yi ano eno na on say dia wo ye nyina no it is two things either say o person will distort me thought and I say on person me question na no enti dia enti ma me yi ano eh one who bisa question who kasa about 2 minutes but me no me answer question me kasa just 1 second ana yes so one who bisa question but kasa about 2 or 3 minutes na me no me answer question no person me kasa 1 second ode eno de me fa ne say wo ka Chinese
okay answer question
me pacho let me take this before I continue with the answer so who bisa me question now one person me yi question na no don't ask etimami answer the question because question now what's the same question na me yi ano but what about interject it and who say bisa the same question how sensible is this either say one person will distort me thought and that's what should that one person me answer question no it's so bisa question that's what person me answer there allow me to answer the question and nothing na wo bisa question me ka say bisa question but wo na wo bisa question wo kasa bebre but me no me answer the one person me kasa ade enti masama na me can say Quran speaks in symbolism Quran na kasa kan na wo kasa krampo wo akofa sa asem de abetena say e de akasa uni hunim de ba wo de abekasa say Quran ne say verses be susceptible to different interpretations and verses be so straight what they abekasa you know say the Quran speaks in symbolism and that is what the Quran means and America say Quran ne say inna masala Isa inda Allah kamathali Adam khalaqahu min turab ya boni fi dotiemu but ye nyina ye nim say Jesus Christ ya mbona fi dotiemu and it's a Quran nekas yebo onipa firi dotiemu what does it mean it is a symbolism which means say onipa no and as word that we using a clay ye na nim say clay yetimi dane no e de ye bibia ye pese ye de ye and what this means ni say onipa abodi a utimi dane no se oye dibonyeni a ubetimi ade ne nkakra asakra no edina ba be gina bra ekom sara na se onipa no opeso free tinini yomu ekobon yomu a ono so obetimi aye and this is the symbolism the Quran is portraying but enipa odini gina ho ede ma sa symbolism no ins no wo mo ye medical ka say enipa sabi enipa biafo sabi enipa ye be ka say omunye etitire ewo adasamemu no sa nipa no ana Quran e ka kire yen say they are created from dust and I say they are created from clay then the word jinn no was say what did gina ho ma say ye born free ejemu no the word matter video no you can listen to it what be some question let me finish let me flow me pacho Me see the word jinn, the word jinn no a Quran ne ka say yedi eja and a born no. And also it is a symbolism. The symbolism is that hey, wow. So to who you say that me make at you because me I don't have time. Me di ka catch us me ba be me recording now free. Oh, okay. So who free some make at you because my pem dia. Me need problem because I don't tie so who person me answer question in there you did not name ehun nya press obe free me. Now, who did I one cache who me know better as me catch you say. So, who say who will be there over the coming video and everybody can go and listen to it. But you don't want to allow me to answer the question. What is that question?
How long it take for one line with here now? My people will come portion. But how long
But just one question. Who interjecting you? You don't you better Obama me kwama makasa adentra. Oh, they just give me the last, mommy, just 3 minutes. I'll finish this point. Just 3 minutes. Medi can't read the meaning of clay, no. Medi can't read the meaning of clay, no. I'm coming to the meaning of fire. It allow me to finish. Allow me to give the answer. Me say. The meaning of fire, the properties of fire. Fire, it can destroy. And the Quran is saying it is only symbolism. And again, we know, say, Iblis, Quran can wasem. Or say, Kana min al jinn, not Iblis of jinn, because Iblis is a destroyer. It is the Quran ne kase obo jinn efi ejamua. The Quran ne kanyina ne say, it has and as a jinn no or to me and as or bibia or to me at destroy or a fiery nature and time akuma and that is the description the Quran has given to Iblis. It was say Abba was takbara wa kana min al kafirin. Iblis no he refused and acted arrogantly or and time. That is what it simply means. It does not mean say they were literally created from fire. That's not what it means. And the Masama reference said we can read a book called Revelation, Rationality, Knowledge and Truth. What prove the organs and as the organisms are almost they survive in fire. They survive in fire, and that's also another meaning. And it means make me beside my question, Anna. Maybe make me beside my question.
Okay, without question. Okay, so we are here for you to without question. Okay, without question.
Maybe I know what's the casa.
Without question.
Okay. My question is say the word jinn. The root word na efrimuno. What is the underlying meaning of the word jinn? Oh, okay. Is that your answer?
My answer no yes because according to Quran
Say Quran na kasa o. Unim say Quran na kasa. But the Quran is in Arabic. The Quran is in Arabic. Arabic and so every word Ose. Yes, it is the language of Allah. Me say the Quran is in Arabic. Arabic and so every word has a root. And me bisa say the root na efrimuba no. It has a certain underlying meaning. And me bisa say what is the underlying meaning of the root word of jinn?
Meaning underlying meaning of the root word of jinn.
Okay, may I say the root word of the jinn? Let me say. Oh, saka me chire na kwatie fu atie, ana wo pese wo be chire o ma de. Me bacho, my main can't be answer. So I answer a question, and you always maybe questions, Nana. I know what answer you know, I will say back, I say, yeah. It will be some question and answer over Casa. Odia Casa, meet you, Casa. Mebacho, men kase Quran ne boa, en kase mon shema no. Me kase eye metaphorical, and only does not mean say Quran ne boa. And this me kase metaphorical, and as also be catch them say me see Quran ne boa. O kan so ma shema no. Ade dina nane ene na adwene no anyankopon de ma e de atinye use no obi buba obe jese nipa na ka trust wo bube ansa na wahu say ebe ana me say ai mama nchiro mu what is my question mama nchiro mu medical ka chiro me kan me say one kasa kura ko fast our program no friends say verse no the better platform so the kasa Quran ni say there are verses are susceptible to different interpretation muhkamat friends mutashabihat Quran chapter 3 verse number 7 no meba what be some question I don't know ma me kwa ma me nkasa aba me say adentina won pesa obema me kwan ma makasa asa won pesa won krofo ni betie me ma asem America no adentra what be some question me kasa so ma me nkasa me say what be some question adentina won pesa obema me kwan ma answer question no mintie wo say what be some question won pesa me answer on person me answer na there be on person me answer question na me bacho on person me answer question na yima no on person me answer question na me say on person me answer wo question no na there be no be some question on person me answer na no what be some question allow me to answer the question and you are me sure say me answer na no who yi me free one what ba be kan wasam biem on say enuti na da bia me ka kira mo say enada na mpesa mo da nipa no because who be some question na say won pese e be answer there then what sense does it make to ask the question what is the meaning of create me say what be some question me answer question no on pese o be ma me kwan ma answer question adentra me say what be some question no on person me answer question na na me answer question on person me answer question no me say Quran ne say yawo mutashabihat verses and yawo muhkamat mutashabihat the meaning is it has different interpretations the different interpretations means that so verse be and again I will say this the Quran is an explanation of itself and this Quran makes a verse be susceptible to different interpretation that's how person will interpret here you should get other verses of the Quran to explain that verse and mama when fatu Quran make say iblis no ye born or ye jinn iblis is jinn Iblis ye jinn no Quran na sama ye a description about Iblis and waka kire yen say Iblis no o say aba wastakbara wa kana minal kafirin Iblis, no, he refused and acted arrogantly. And it is a Quran that say, Jinn no ye born free a jamua. It is only portraying a fiery nature.
He was created from fire, and Adam was created from a clay. It was distinguishing itself. Or maybe a better chain, maybe fire, maybe better than a clay. I metaphorically when he say, Allah declared about Adam, and I said, declared about Adam. I do for Allah declared about Adam, and I said, declared about Adam.
But what be some question? You know, Mami, who Obama me quite a mama answer.
No answer, yes or no answer, yes or no answer. Adam.
Me say, what be some question? No, yes or no answer. Say, what be some question? I was saying, I will say yes or no answer. Obama me quite a mama answer. Mami, let me know. Will you allow me to answer the question? Me say, what is my question? Obama me quite amama answer na. Obama me quite. Will you allow me to answer the question?
Yes, the question and they say, Allah or declare and for Adam, yes or no? The question or no.
You cannot ask me a yes or no question when I need time to explain. No, you cannot ask me a yes or no question because I need time to explain. Medical culture say the Quran explains itself, and I will have to use other verses to explain. Now, if some say yes or no.
Quran chapter 7, verse number 12. And one I made focus was to say, according to this statement, Allah or declare and for Adam, yes or no?
Okay, my answer to the question is Yenina yenim say onipa yemfa say obi aba no aka kire o say ohene aka nchine agu. Ohene aka nchine agu a ohene aka nchine agu no me ba che wo be den wo hu say sa asem na o kan eyebe say won ti kasa no a so mami nchiro di ntia ye kasa ko no. First of all, Iblis no na ono ontimi he will never have known say Nyankopon de your friend say dotie enebo nipa no. This statement no, it is only symbolism. Medika aka enunti na make say yakoka say obi aka enchini agu a obi aka enchini agu no obede no hu say eye kasakwa na nipa na eka me isu tafsir kabir tieniye me say tafsir kabir.
Okay, tafsir kabir e wa himba ni go tafsir kabir ni ko be tafsir kabir kron ni fa ma atie for mo ke bi ni we de tafsir kabir ni kai ni we okay say tafsir kabir no e authentic
me say tafsir kabir but meba tafsir e obi enso so na dwe nkire no wa kire
abi na wo ya wa say no
na sa me so menti asia me one verses no na make and I shouldn't seek my understanding of the verses. Oh, no problem. I know there some scholar and some scholar and there no problem. I don't even claim some scholar. Me claim some scholar. But masemini say wonu ukotie baby obi kasa na so kasa na kanchi agu a obeden won musa nipa na o kasa no eye ebe ana obu
obedi nkai kwa kwa de mpanyifo ne kan obetie ye omu scholars ne kan na fo ne kan okay
okay enti mami nchire odi a this verse na o kasa uboni frijam mami nchire odi a verse na o kasa oboni frijam eye kasa kwa
eye kasa kwa no pa scholar ne maye scholar ko na wo kire wo say eye kasa kwa no e
na sa wo no wadi kan kra ka say me bisa the root word of jinn wo si wunim eti na me say
Give the root word of jinn.
what simple you don't want to add it na wo person ma me kwan na ma kire verse ni
Yeah, the verse in the Quran say, Quran say, Iblis one prostrate. Why didn't you know one prostrate? It didn't try. Or say, simple English or take for how long that man for me a disciple Musa.
okay ma enti ma min kire mwe first of all the Quran and as Nyankopon no he does not allow anyone and I say on ma kwan say anybody should be bowed to say ya di ani be butu for mama obi and when the Quran says say Nyankopon catch them say they should prostrate the simple meaning they say they should on say enipa Nyankopon born no enipa ana Nyankopon de asasi odiswade enipa ana odiswade ana say nipa ana Nyankopon enti na Nyankopon bo asasi hey on be say make asakra adenti na we sa It is not first creation. It is not first creation.
According to Quran, no.
It is not first creation.
Allah say angels name question Allah. Angels not more question.
Me say it is not first creation. Ujane, and that is why I want to explain to you the entire Nyankopon used to fire edema jinn no, and you don't want to allow me.
Make mama kasa too much, bro. Mama too much time.
And me say, master me say, Quran na can say, any kwasi ye bow to any other creation. And Nyankopon enka nkyere abofo anasa abodie bi ase on prostrated to man. And a symbolism. The symbolism is that onipano angels no are made to, in other words, to serve them, to serve human. Number two, Iblis no onka angels no. Radi Nyankopon. Me say Iblis na onye angel.
Onye angel. Okay, it's the other thing Allah can say. Iblis angels they prostrate no. And problem Iblis and prostrate. And it's no problem Iblis.
But obema me kwan me ya no.
For one more questions be am the link in it to one okay. We need answers no. Clear. Okay, Obisa me mana ya no.
Okay, what be some question? Mame, okay, so omubisa, I will get chance to explain. Okay, me say Quran nan kasa kan say Iblis no na oye jinn. He was not an angel. Number two. Oh. Hey. And number two, they say, according to Quran, no, angels do not disobey God. Above all, they don't disobey. But they don't disobey God. And if Iblis was an angel, there was no way say, Anka obey disobey, and I say obey arrogant. Because Quran naka say la ya'suna Allah, they don't disobey Allah. Enti the entire Quran naka say yabo omo ewo ejamu no. And only the description now odiama about Iblis say Aba was takbara, he acted arrogantly. Enti the Quran is only telling us say the jinn no, they are arrogant. Some of them, and most of them, are arrogant. They have fiery nature. That is what it is saying. And yes, sir, Nyankopon makwan ma obi and prostrate to another creation. Komsheni Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam no ankasa kra aka say senka Nyankopon be makwan ama obi a prostrate to another creation a ene enka obema ebia oba ana prostrate to nikunu and ana se kire ni say onya ahobrasefo emfama nikunu. And these words no are symbolism. And nothing that me can say. So obi kasa na so can say ohini bia kanchine agu a ohini bia kanchine agu no you no know say asem we say na nipa na yatwura to ana waka no eye ebe but the otekasa na de obehu. Okay, mo misa all questions.
For me na TV okay. Chip chap. Chip chap who question ma seto ana say do for which me busa okay. I'm for what wa o pese o ba so busa question bi ara fa link okay because do for e line say it me can tell no yes me pick up ya ko na was be can tell there no it you pese o answer question bi ara also ba line say okay say the be obetimi busa question and I say we busa your questions no chip chap kasa Mr. Wa so we go question bi ara.
Okay, me da se pass it to wo word mana malam na si ada na se wanya pre na oba be yi se ma no na woni si malam na o kasa wo mo le se wo ya after here
no so na si ni pa
so na ni brawa ya woni malam ni woni so na ni wa si ya woni malam ni ka ji na za ko ku ya kasa ni ku Islam slowly because we confusing kremo ko na kasa then Quran ne kasa wadija Allah dija ene bo jin ene wadi letie ebo nipa ene wadi light ebo angels na wo betra aka kire se ija na wadi bo jin no eye symbolica en kire se ija kasa 14 wadi bo no na symbolica ya e konsam to amudi no na afọ be din lero ene e konsam jemu no so ye symbolica e se ya ko ko jama ba.
But on the question I will be saying no ana minya no ana. Na omu bisa question na so omu be kasa. Na so bisa one question. I don't know ma minya no. Oh, that be enyam yem na hyehyeme. But what bisa question? That's why me kwa me nyi anu a. Eno no na ntia se be na wom say wo bisa question. Question we will be say any topic na here can no and I'm here for. Question now wa hwe.
So one topic now. My topic is question I say.
He's just wasting time. Mami, what is the first question? Mami, answer question and you are just allowing him to speak unnecessarily.
Answer question.
Wow.
Okay, because the chip for your customer.
Or your customer. So okay common sense for them.
Or ex-Muslim. It's your questions, Musa.
Oh, okay. And yet the same question I will repeat it. Is it not the same question you are repeating? You are just wasting time. Mami, answer question, no?
Answer question, okay. But I'm about to explain my question is short. 20 seconds answer. Yanko.
Nipa na ono kasa no how many minutes no no de kasa ba me na me be yi ano no me for 20 seconds.
Because the whole line is already when the guy kasa almost 40 minutes already.
Na so ono no obisa question, obisa a different question. Yan kan wa asem nimu. Ana refi.
What you I don't answer no because I don't.
What the bonsam ja ba be kan asem no ho. Wan yan kan wa asem nimu ana refi. Ano ono de bonsam ja be ka ho di bisa question. Ana me say, ono no o kasa how many minutes no de kasa? Ana me answer also me for 20 seconds. Okay. Oh, there no problem. No problem. I mean, ya no. The ho nie. The di kind. Dan kwama atemwa da jina bra enipa bekum no. Number 1, a spiritual. It is not physical. Number 1, eno no ye nyina ye nhye saase no we say nso. Mahu say to the bia mofa some of the verses. Say Quran say ye be ware say ye be say no but if there is time and I say bia opa obetimi dey start topic na to na we discuss it some other time. But dan kwa magina bre no a enipa bekum no spiritual enye physical. Enam say spiritual ninti. Enam say spiritual ninti. Quran konkon aka Okomsheni Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam enso so aka. And again, the Quran has used certain symbolism, and sometimes the Quran state categorically say, "We asam fatu ho na me de mamu." Ba ko ni say, Quran ni say, which is also supported by the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam, or say, atemwa da jina bra na say dan kwa ma jina bra no. Eni bia hunu da. No eye has seen it before. Ason bia so nte da. But yakeka ho asem ensusu wo Quran de odi kire ye nyina ne say sa jina bre no enipa bekom no spiritual, and because spiritual ninti no you cannot describe it in physical terms. Because spiritual ninti no you cannot describe it in physical terms. Now so otumfo nyankopon ede enam say ye nipa ye physical beings enti na enigye ahokere eyaw eni enema udu a nipa ekomuna all the kinds of emotions a nipa komuna no ye feeling no physically ninti no nyankopon de physical things and wo de kirechire mu kire yen enti me one verse and I say 2 verses na me dia kire sa asem ni mu otumfo nyankopon aka say wabashiril ladina amanu wa amilus solihat osmon ka ensem de enkire nkrofo a wo mo age adi na wo mo ye enwuma pa no anna lahumul janna ewo suratul Baqarah Quran chapter 2 but mean kind the exact okay verse 26 and also verse 25 or say wabashiril ladina amanu wa amilus solihat mon kan sem de nkire nkrofo a wo mo age adi na wo mo ye enwuma pa no anna lahumul janna sanyankopon ebema wo no aheman tajri min tahtiha al-anhar ensutene eninamu kulama rudhiku minha min thamarat rizqan emre biara yedi emu aduane bema won ana yedi emu anomne ebema won asmo mbeka ne se qalu hadha alladhi rudhiqna min qabl saadie we bia ne yedi ma yen no kane no o se wa utubihi mutashabihan na eye adia esese walahum fiha azwaju mutahhara na wonum benya ahokafo a won hotie wahum fiha khalidun na wonom atena ho afebo. Na owieye no, the next verse no gives us an understanding the Quran no edika kan o say inna allaha la yastahi nyankopon no enye ne fere anya deriba mathalan se obemma asem mfato ho enti kire se the Quran e kan no the wadika ka kire ni nyina no eye asem mfato ho enye se nipa ne kwa akonya physical food enye se nipa ne konya ahokafo physically enye se nipa no ye kwa akoma omo edan physically no it was say inna allaha la yastahi an yadriba mathalan nyankopon enye ne fere se obemma asem fato ho ma ba'udatan fama fawkaha a eswa echen tesebia aduaba kitikiti bi mpo aba o say fa amma alladhina amanu wa ma mujidi ni de fayakuluna annahu alhaq min rabbi wa mo de o mo kase we ye no kura firi nyankopon ho anase efiri won awurade ho wa amma alladhina kafaru fayakuluna madha arada Allah bihadha mathalan nyankopon say won mo nyini die o mo njindi ni die won mo kase na die kura na nyankopon pa kire e wo sa emfato hu ya oyi die me kan nyina ne say oh
Chief Chap kusa the simple question ejano spiritual na metaphorical na tibisano ajubo of say there be head pain no crap on a spiritual thing. It is a spiritual thing now. Any of these are physical things we promise amount for no see the spiritual thing. But say thing in a spiritual thing they are. And yeah possible the spiritual thing about it Quran be. Sana okay o. Wow analysis now.
Oh say my repeated same way say several times say obi bisa what ubisa question na ma me kwan na me nya no. You don't want to allow me to answer the questions. I didn't try. Questions no krampo me ya no krampo no. I was just about to finish. I was just about seconds to finish. No what try me so.
How long na we here for one question? Richard was our question here for okay. Islam
na question na nipa na bisa na ma no yes here we one mama no ense obi misa question foforo. Okay, mama nunsi on the question. Mama nunsi on the question. Me say enti the Quran ne kan nyina ne say dan kwa magina bre no bibiara nyankopon edi akasa kire yen e wo Quran nimu a kire yen wo Quran nimu ne de eye asem mfato ho. They are symbolism because sagina bre no enye physical eye spiritual. And this verse proves it. We bet me beside the question.
Richard, why busy? Question what I say. When I can say what I say, no. Hello, questions. Now okay, Kasa, Richard BT. The man me first some questions. Richard, who on man? Adebe. Me kasa. Ene kasa yantin ye. Me question is say me person man actually me am I at here say na Iblis ye yeah e pam ni free on e ba sem on present on Allah omo discussing it here Allah pam ni assembly in see wow apparent I don't know present can the exact thing I see there apparent okay what you say okay that's a Richard we'll let Richard put a simple straightforward question
okay the one say Quran ne de o say o ka kire abofo no ana o ka kire won say won mre won ho ase Emma Adam. But Iblis did not. First of all, no, this topic, this Iblis, no, a linked to the creation of Adam. A link to one subject. And so now also what baby say. Number one, and he say Iblis, no. Miminti asiye, and which is also supported by the Quran. And he say Iblis na ankasa no oye nipa. My explaining sadie we say ewo Ampa TV mo betimi anya ewo ho. Iblis na ankasa no oye enipa. Enti na Quran ne say wa kana minal kafirin. Na ofri ka onma ye atiafo no emu. Enti Adam no so na oye komhyeni. Enti de Iblis ye nyina ne say Iblis no wanye sutie amma otumfo Nyankopon. Asem wa Nyankopon ka se onye no wanye. That is all.
Enti o question now, what's in the question obusa wo no?
So se di ade na Iblis ye ana
The question one ka se be explain one ka se be explain Iblis.
na me nso ma explain Iblis o me kire de Iblis ye ananya no na obisa. So one ka se me kire na de Iblis ye. Man kire de Iblis eye o me kire de Iblis eye ana wante. Me say according to the Quran no or say Aba wastakbara wa kana min al-kafirin. He refused the command of God and acted arrogantly. Adia oye no no. Asama me kan wante and me say wanye sutie ama otumfo Nyankopon asem. Oka se wo mo mre wo mo ho ase wo mo nya sutie emma Adam. Everyone obia no wo bia. The entire American is say the angels no or use the word angel. But the angels no medical say the angels do not disobey according to the Quran. You see, Seto. Let me state this. Mami, let me state this. Me, masembia makano. I have given proof from the Quran. Me bisa o question when yano and it proves say me kasa wa bon wa na ye no kre. Me say enipa ni bisa me say e die na Iblis ye. And I say, according to the Quran, he acted arrogantly, he refused on the command of God.
Question, last one. Yeah, good evening. That's a good afternoon. Okay, last one. So question. Yeah, who knows that question you want to answer? You do the question to one of my followers. No, you go to man. Who's a one question?
Me, I am the passe. YouTube video no se wo de to wona se wan delete dia etiefo no so beba betie no ma te ye kan ye enti dia wo beka no de ha me
sound. Oh, sound. Okay. Sometimes the only go be kasa strategy or more use. So who use one word or because I would say what question for program no or best kasa long talk, okay. It would the question fair ever program we want. Okay, simple. Okay, the episode about research studio. We say or in church and all in the church and all the or for yellow, I use social information. Or for yellow, I usually have Trump and for the one of them and they can go. Okay, simple. I do go for answer question my wife.
Some make us say, "I make go to Quran." And okay. Dear Tieni. Yes, say diversity is the spice of life. Diversity is the spice of life. Ye nipa no. Ye nyina obia adwene Nyankopɔn de amaye no ye de dwene. Obia wo sɛdeɛ osi dwene. Enti obia ɛwɔ ne ntiase a obenya ɛwɔ ensɛm ho. Even among the scholars no, even among the omo ye scholars ni mpo no. Edurumre bi a they debate on a subject. Omo adwene enko bankrum. Enti sɛ me ka asɛm na sɛ obi ni me nya adwene a eno no it doesn't eno no dey answer hwe. Eno ntin ye nipa.
Question now obusa won say question obusa say we when you in Islam we usa when you grow up on 30 years maybe 40 years between that now okay before na we my na Islam or one that so we bia no wo so we free baby won't be man ma fa wa agene ma baby a we free na obusa we sources na we gina so dia kasa e na obusa
some catch us tafsir kabir ma catch us me asamu American nyina no ubenya no tafsir kabir but masem ni say me ba o masem ni say masem ni say nimdia obi wo no enye time anipa ne be join Islam enema e kire nimdia owo me ba to what the make no enye time obi be join Islam ana e kire time e kire nimdia nipa ne wo because even in Islam krampo no ye wo onipa bi a ye frɛ no Hadrat Umar radiyallahu anhu ebinum ebe join Islam ansa no oba but obeye khalifa
akono Adam so ti de make an what hello okay akono ti people are too
say to we no nasam na o kan any topic na ye kan no di eni no twaka bei me say ono nasam no o kan no any topic na ye kan e wo twaka bei Me bato wabisa question mami nyano mami nyano.
Yeah, because I'm for be online so
No. What man kwanya manakasa mananwasi. Enti mami kwanya mi nyano.
Hello? Because time on us for me time as to say. Hello, Temeka. I take what is that corner Temeka, okay, Otuntum, and war. Okay. What's that question, my boy? Okay, it's you. So, what's that question, my? If I broke out, the question, Imam. Narration be your honor, time and your Adam ever heaven. Okay. On some Emma Adam, and then the Sabbath ball, and then the Sabbath ball, clean creature and the honor. Or then the Sabbath ball going, I don't be signing a question. Fine. Young fan to change, no man, they say metaphorical, but on to be prove and metaphorical about, and on your fan to change. Imagine the soul.
Me bato Seto. Hello. Seto. No, me tie question. Waka asem wa. Waka asem aye unnecessary. Afen wo be bisa question. I have to speak about it. Me say woni obi ka asem wa. Topic no nipa no de ato o mu nyina mo tie. Mo say mo ye common sense for dia. Nipa ne the topic ato ho mo nyina mo tie question so oba be kasa you have to speak about the topic now ko kan unnecessary thing afa na wi as afa na me be some question eno no sa de we no adwene na ye adwuma no
okay so now, the question, but that's okay. That's it is obey answer. I do for the question.
Answer na me answer question no. Okay, can sembi. First of all no. Me masem ni say mo ye common sense for dia. Moma common sense ni nya adwuma. Because ye the topic na to ho. Sadia we say obi a ono ye nyamesum ni na ye ya ka mo be ba betena ho abekika ensemhunu ye the topic na to ho topic na ye de ato ho no so wo ba na so wo ba bisa question na you should ask about the topic enko ni number bi nko kika ensemhunu enfa so obi ani so na wo wi na seto abeka say asam na wo kan onyia no and you should ask the question about the topic. Eno na kire se na wo de wadwene ne ye adwuma anya sa de ane na mo wadwene no ebia na well no una host program wo so your common sense na me say so we your common sense for the mama common sense ni nya adwuma me say wuna me kasa kire wo wuna me kasa kire wo ana me say wuna me kasa kire wo say we your common sense ni the mama common sense ni nya adwuma because all the topic at all adent na wo makwa ma nipa ne be kika unnecessary thing Okay. Omo mutie no ombe hu se kasa na eme da obi mo amosi mo ye common sense fo ah mo si sa adwene na anya adwuma body ne bre no mo na mo ye sei no me ma sam ni say the medical aka say in reference to your ball enipa a free clay and your ball ins a free clay and your ball gin a free fire muno. It is symbolism according to the Quran no, and I me quote two verse we impo Yankopon say inna mathala Isa inda Allahi kamathali Adam khalaqahu min turab or say Jesus Christo ne moye any your friend say any Adam omo ese ye born free dust mu and as ye born free clay mu saka say e kire say e kwan a Jesus Christo obaye no sa kwan na so ne Nyankopon ebo Adam e kwan a Jesus Christo ebaye no
eno madi kan correct ono eno ye ta na verse ne kan verse ne person ka tire wo say how obo Adam no ka se bi eno how obo Jesus ka se bi it bi ni na ode ya kumpa ye kun eno ode tire wo ono enye that no o pa tire wo say
enti die Quran ne kan say said ye bo Jesus no sa na ye bo Adam na enti sa na yes, me know ya adwene kun fire kun o ka se enye aneye ana me say the Quran says inna mathala Isa inda Allahi kamathali Adam said ye bo Yesu sa pepe na ye bo Adam ana me say enti no problem so the similarity na me twi adwene si so the similarity na me twi adwene si so the similarity no and it say oh, no problem. Similarity, no problem. Me say the similarity in a make you so. The similarity in say a kwanya Yesu Christ answer me make you point. I won't make kasa. So who me make you point. I won't make kasa. Me say who me make you point. I won't Obama me kwanya mama kasa. Me say Yesu Christo no according to Quran no a kwanya ye fa so born no.
And the example of Jesus is like that of Adam. One person is the same as Adam.
Yo Mate, where we are my main kasa? Where we are my main kasa? Where we are my main kasa? Mate, where we are my main kasa? Okay, Mate, where we are my main kasa? Where we are my main kasa? Where we are my mini question now. Okay, my mini question now answer no wako. My mini question now answer no wako. Okay, no problem. Enti Quran ni say inna mathala Isa inda Allahi kamathali Adam. Enti die kire yen ni say e kwan no a Yesu Christo fa so bae no. Sa kwan no a anabi Adam enso e fa so bae. That is the similarity the Quran has given. It is a ubisa me say Quran no a friend Adam ye born free a diemu a the Quran has given that answer in the verse I have just given. Enti me de manu si no me medical can say me videos bia no ubenya no Ampa TV. O pesa wo ne me kasa nso so a ubetimi anya me e wo +685 77 22272. Asamu ye kan ye nyina no ɛne sɛ otumfo Nyankopɔn aka asɛm ɛwɔ Quran nim afa jinn ɛho sɛ yɛka sɛ jinn ɛyɛ spirit dia a ɛne na Quran asɛm a ɔkan wɔ Quran chapter 17 verse 95 and verse 96 I will say senka abɔfoɔ ne nante asase ne so a anka ɛbɛsoma ɔbɔfoɔ na aba wɔn nkyɛn sɛ okomhyɛni enti sɛ yɛka sɛ jinn ɛyɛ spirit dia a ɛne ɛwɔ sɛ wɔn nso so Nyankopɔn soma sa spirit na bi na kɔ wɔn hɔ but Nyankopɔn aka no wɔ Quran mu several times sɛ akomhyɛfo a wɔsoma wɔn nyinaa no na wɔn yɛ nipa ɛno ne kyerɛ yɛn sɛ jinn ni hia kwankyerɛ na sɛ wɔba nipa hɔ na ɛbɛpa kwankyerɛ dia a the analogy of Quran chapter 17 verse 95 and 96 no ɛkyerɛ sɛ ɛne na jinn no nso ɔyɛ nipa mede ma no asi meda mo ase
ɛda wɔ sɛ tie for yɛda ase yeah share video no wɔ page hɔ no sɛ book adubɔ for
o say
mesi share video no wɔ page hɔ bakɔ to YouTube hɔ no na kyerɛ amanfo how abɛ school se to wɔ ase share
oh me de ko to ose si akra me nso ma record nti me de ko to ose si a
conversation na woni ma kasa 2 times wo ka kyerɛ me sɛ me no kasa ya na me TV show no me page hɔ no but conversation ni me no nyina no TV show ba akɔkora wɔ page hɔ no
no say me man record una me bisa so wo record na wo say ani wo record the second one it is the first one I mean no kasa I man record and na me bisa so wo record na wo say ani wo record oh we afterthought Adam bisa wo say adenti no one post ya to page wo ka kire me say oh wo be hwehwe na wo hu a then they would be 2 page na conversations bebre na wo hia for your backup nti na wo record e we na fe na wo say be ka say one mia o mic na then dey no problem oh conversation with them dey two was here
conversation we say anything kasa 2 hours na kasa no be post that bay
they never Abraham hunana
the kasa second conversation they have no be post that bay
because me no kasa how many times me no kasa I think it's 4 times me say me the way na to host esi a e do de mami oh you should leave that to me me say me post here to want to they leave that to me na me I am a platform o say me say me da se pa